In this video, we're going to run through the HLOOKUP function. HLOOKUP is very similar to the VLOOKUP function, with the difference being that it's H for horizontal rather than V for vertical. And if you want to see a VLOOKUP tutorial, head over to my 3-minute video that runs through that function. Most people probably use VLOOKUP way more often than HLOOKUP, but it's worth being aware of both of these functions, and as they're so similar, once you can do one of them, you'll have no trouble with the other one. Anyway, the HLOOKUP function looks for a value in the top row of a table, and returns the value in the same column from a row that you specify. So let's get started with an example. As you can see, we've got some sales data here for different offices, so it's all the offices listed down here, office A, B, C, etc. And then their 2017, 2018, 2019 sales. Now, just using this example, let's say we were interested in the 2018 sales value of office E, and we can figure that out with a HLOOKUP function. So equals HLOOKUP. Now, first of all, you need to specify the lookup value. So ours is going to be 2018 sales, so we can just select that cell, or we could also type it out if we wanted to. Next up is the table array. Now, all we do here is simply highlight our table. Now, that will be fine, but it's good practice to lock these cells. So I'm just going to press F4 and you'll see the dollar signs appear there, which means if we were to move this function down, it wouldn't move the table too. Now, it's the row index number. Now, this is where the HLOOKUP function differs from the VLOOKUP because it's row index rather than column index. So we're interested in 2018 sales and we want them for office E. And what that means is we need to count the number of rows down from the top row where office E is. So if we just go back to our table, we can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's row 6. So we just enter 6 here. And then lastly, the range lookup. Now, we want an exact match because it's office E precisely that we're looking for. So we're just going to go down there, tab, close off the formula, enter, and then we get our answer of $877,629. And then if we just look back to the table, we can see in the 2018 sales column, all the way down to office E, that's the number there that it's retrieving, 877,629. So that's the HLOOKUP formula, really simple to use and really useful.